Hello everybody, we are going to make this very cute heart shape. For that we are going to fold this square pink craft paper, flip it and again fold it like this. Here we are making a paper fortune teller. Look, open it like this and it's ready. After this we are going to make 21 such pieces and then combine all of them together one after another and make a heart shape like this. Look how we are doing here. Then we are going to complete it like this and it's done. Let's make these beautiful rose flowers using craft paper. So take a square craft paper, fold it and make a triangular shape. Now make many folds, flip it and again fold it. Look how we are doing here. Tuck it inside. Now turn the paper and again fold it from its sides. After this we are going to twist all of them like this using a plugger and curl its petals and it's ready. Look at this paper phone stand. Let's make it. For that we are going to fold this pink craft paper, make multiple folds. Now fold it again into half and again we are folding like this. We are making a triangular shape. So tuck it inside like this and look, it is ready. You can also paste a sticker and it's done. Look at this heart-shaped envelope. Let's make it using craft paper. For that take a craft paper and start folding it like this. Now we are going to again make multiple folds. Here we are going to make a heart shape. So make a small cut and put it inside, tuck the sides inside and look, it's done. Going to make this mini container. When you open it, you'll get mini box. You can put your small items inside. So let's make it. We are folding this printed craft paper. Make small folds at the center. Fold it from its sides as well. Finally fold it and make a large box like this. Keep it aside. Now we are going to fold another piece of printed craft paper. Here we are making small boxes like this. Fold it like we are doing here and look, your box is ready. After this we are going to make 5 such boxes and put all of them like we are doing here. Paste stickers and it's ready. Raksha Bandhan is here, so we are going to make this envelope. So let's get started. We are folding a printed craft paper here. Fold it like this and put your money inside and look, it's done. Tug it like this and it's ready. Let's get ready. We are going to make these paper claws. Look how cool these are looking. So we are folding this blue craft paper, make multiple folds like this. Then we are going to fold it from its bottom like this. Again we are going to make multiple folds. Look how we are doing here. Then it is ready. After that we are going to open it and paste it like we are doing here using a glue stick. Now we are going to make multiple folds more and then paste it using a tape and look, your claws is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.